today we have an OBDeleven Pro Pack to share with you. My wife's car is up for a 30,000 mile inspection, and instead of taking it to the dealership, I wanted to reset the inspection light myself. So this is where this comes in, and hopefully this will solve my issue. So I just got this in the mail. Nice small packaging. Open her up. And there you have that. Comes with this tiny little instruction booklet. Along with this, you're going to need to download the app that is available on iOS and Android, and I've done that previously, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. But you see the app there. We'll be resetting the 30,000 mile inspection light. I didn't want to take it to the dealer and get charged an hour's labor to reset the inspection light, so I bought an OBDeleven. I'm going to be installing the OBD port and resetting the light myself. Make sure to, if you're going to do the same thing, to actually check off everything on the inspection list, and yeah, just make sure to go through the inspection and make sure everything's okay. If you're not going to be doing that, I would take it to a mechanic or to the dealer and have them do it. Okay, we have our OBDeleven scanner. We're just going to insert it into our port. Let's see. Put the light on. In my case, it's purple, so we're going to go ahead and put it in there. There we go, and you get a red light. Okay, then we're going to go to the app. Alright, I have it open already. You're going to have to set up an account and do all that stuff. Sign up before you could get started. So go ahead, download the app. I got it from the iOS store. Alright, after the new firmware update, I got prompted with a password, so I just picked the password. Here you get prompted with a bonus. Select bonuses you would like to add to this account. So I'm going to do both of them. Push OK. Alright, make sure you have the key handy or else it won't work. So let's do this again. Alright, now we got our systems go. It says inspection due there. And that's what we're going to be clearing. So let's go ahead and connect. So once you're connected and you initiate a scan, you'll notice that the light changes from red to a blinking white. Okay, so after playing with this a little bit, it wasn't quite doing what I was hoping it would do, which was resetting the inspection. So I went to this apps button and I did a search. Inspection, service reset, and this thing came with 200 credits, I guess. I don't know what this means, but I'm going to go ahead and select this. So I'm not quite sure what this means. It says 211 credits. I guess I have 211 credits. This thing costs 10 credits. And it gives you the warning, inspect your vehicle components before the reset, kind of like what I said before. So I guess I'm going to change the value. Let's see what happens. I'm going to activate. Oh, I guess it costs 10 credits to reset. So, inspection service reset done. And look at that. That worked exactly how it's supposed to. It cleared my inspection. It says next inspection is due in just about 20,000 miles. And apparently I could reset my oil change interval also, but I'm going to do that in here because it's not really necessary to do it in the app, especially if I got to pay per. When we start the car, don't get an inspection light anymore. Okay, go over here. Let's go back this way. So reset the light. So not necessarily what I thought it'd be, but it does come with a bunch of other free stuff. I guess if you charge people. So this menu, the apps menu, is a bunch of extra stuff that you can pay for, I guess, to change. But the vehicle comes with like a bunch of stuff. I don't even know how to use this yet. But yeah, I guess it checks all this stuff also. The funny thing is, the initial check, it didn't really find the inspection service, which is fine. I found it, but hey, I mean, it's worth the price, I think, to be able to reset it yourself. Even if it was 10 credits, I think I still have like, let's see if I go there again, inspection. Let's see. So I used 10 of my credits. I still have 201 credits. I'm sure there's a way to load them back up. But yeah, it worked. And I guess I'd recommend it rather than you know, just throwing your money away at the dealership and not having something like this to play with afterwards. So it's about the same prices they might charge. They probably charge more. So give or take maybe like 10-20 bucks. But pretty neat toy. When you're finished, you can just, let's see, disconnect. I don't even know how to disconnect. History. Home. Oh, here it is. So here we have a little open door thing. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect. You're sure? Yes. And that's it. And then you can pull out the sensor. It should turn red again.
Thanks for watching.